Make up to giapaapa channel. Thank you.
Hello kids. Let's us learn about shapes. In this video, let's go to the video. Circle. 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 Let's see some of the circle shape objects. Circle. Circle. Triangle. 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 Let's see some of the triangle shape objects. Triangle. Triangle. Square. 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 Let's see some of the square shape objects. Square. Square. Rectangle. 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 Let's see some of the rectangle shape objects. Rectangle. Rectangle. Heart. 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 Let's see some of the heart shape objects. Heart. Heart. Star. 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 Let's see some of the star shape objects. Star. Star. Rhombus. 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 Let's see some of the rhombus shape objects. Rhombus. Rhombus. Oval. 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 Let's see some of the oval shape objects. Oval. Oval. Crescent. 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 Let's see some of the crescent shape objects. Crescent. Crescent. Pentagon. 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 Let's see some of the pentagon shape objects. Pentagon. Pentagon. Hexagon. 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 Let's see some of the hexagon shape objects. Hexagon. Hexagon. Arrow. 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 Let's see some of the arrow shape objects. Arrow. Arrow. Cross. 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 Let's see some of the cross shape objects. Cross. Cross.
Cepat peninggal. Cepat peninggal. Bye bye.